erokamano kuom medo kete mana ka Ramogi TV wadhi mbele gi miweche manyien. Jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua okinyi makawuono romo gi jambetre mar piny Ingeresa e pacho ka Jane Marriott kama gitwak ewi tiyo kanyakla e kind pinje ariyogo. Gachagua opuoyo piny Ingeresa kowacho ni en piny mantiere kod oteko mar nyawo dongruok kod ohala e pacho ka. Jalogo bende noloso ewi weche mag arita mosebedo ka kelo fuere gwenge mag nyandwat mar piny Kenya motelo ne chenro mar nyawo kwe kod arita e tong' pinje ma Kenya, Somalia kod Ethiopia.
Secure and stable northern Kenya is the best thing for this country, because we can be able now to put resources there to do food production and get people busy and support the rest of the country, because the lands are vast. Yeah. And they're also very productive. Yeah. If we can get it right, we secure so that there is no insecurity, and then we go to irrigation. Then the problems of this country in a very sustainable manner are sorted. Again, as High Commissioner, you have pointed out, we need sustainable interventions.
For a long time, Kenya and Ethiopia have been the two anchors of stability in your region. With the civil war in Ethiopia, Kenya has looked a little bit lonely at times, holding the fort of stability across the region. And so the thing that particularly excites me about this project is it's a time when you can export that stability into two of your neighbours and mutually reinforce each other at the national, the sub-national, but also the community level.